everybody, it's Robert here, and this is part 4 of the free software series. And today's platform is Android. Now we're going to mobile operating systems. And let's get going. Okay, I got some free apps that are very useful. If you're in any kind of small group or a sports team or whatever, this app is handy for you. GroupMe. And you can also view and post your group text. Basically what it does is a group text to the whole group, so you don't have to text everybody individually or spend a ridiculous amount of money for multimedia messages, which are basically just group text messages. So GroupMe is a great app, and you can also view and post text messages from your web browser. That works well. And of course, I'm sure you all know about WhatsApp. But if you want to find some free ringtones, Zedge is the app for you. It does many ringtones, even from many styles. They even do Finding Nemo. They do Disney. They do even Doctor Who, if you're into Doctor Who. The theme song, they have a ringtone for that as well, and even from many popular songs as well. And of course, Pedometer for fitness people. That just tracks your steps and how many calories you burned, how many miles you went. But I think it only works for like running. It doesn't work for biking. InkPad is another app that you can download. It's very small, it's file size, and you just type your notes on it. That's all you do. It's very simple, and it gets the job done. Of course, you're going to need a QR code reader, which you can just do that. There's also a YouVersion Bible app that you can download, and you can also download as many translations as you have room for on your phone. There are plenty of them out there in many different languages, including French, German, Afrikaans, Turkish, and many others. I think there's a Hebrew Bible as well, and also in Arabic as well. Haytel is a quick messaging app that you can use to send a quick message without calling them or texting them. And for those of us who live in lightning-prone areas, like yours truly, living in Florida, you're going to need a lightning detector app. And there's a free one called Lightning Alarm. And it uses your GPS location, of course, and then within like 50 kilometers, it'll tell you where is the closest lightning strike, which can help you plan for when you should be inside. And you can see whether a storm is going to pop up Of course, you're going to need a scoreboard for all of you who love to play sports or any kind of games that require just a simple scoreboard. And there's a simple scoreboard and just a regular scoreboard. So app you can download for free. Programming Hub is also a good app for if you need to look at code for a programming language such as Python, JavaScript, even C, C++, Java, that sort of thing. GoodBudget is another app that you can use to manage your finances. That one I haven't worked with too much, but it tracks your expenses and your income, which can be helpful for, especially for those people who don't track their money very well, which you should always budget your money. Also, the Daily Bible app, which gives you a verse of the day every day. And this one I do use quite a bit. And you can quickly glimpse through it, share it with your friends and family, things like that. A couple of games is War. The card game War. You can play a game like that on your Android device. Also, Glow Hockey is neon type hockey, air hockey, and you can do it with either one player or two players. One player means just you and you playing against the smartphone. And also Blobby Volleyball, which for those who love volleyball like me, you can flick to serve the ball and do all kinds of things with it. One more that I recently downloaded called Euroopoly. If you know the game Monopoly, it's pretty much the same thing except the land deeds are for either transportation or various cities like Paris, London, things like that. In the smartphone game, you can actually buy those with fake euros. It's similar to Monopoly. It's quite fun. Also, for those of you living near a Chick-fil-A, there's a new app called Chick-fil-A One that you can download for free, and you can order your meal from the app directly. One last thing, the Tuner Lite is basically a tuner that you can use to tune your musical instruments, such as a guitar or this ukulele, or a piano, or whatever instrument you need. Well, that's all the apps that I have. And don't forget the file manager, SD file manager, which helps you manage your files from inside your phone, your internal storage, and your SD card storage, your micro SD card storage. Now, let us see what I'm going to be doing with the dice roll. Number 6. I did that last time. So, I don't have any music to dance to, so we're gonna do it one more time. I'm going to voice out a letter. Number 3. I'm going to voice out a letter to a friend. Dear friends. Dear friend. Hope you're well. It's, as I'm writing, wondering if I should join a volleyball league nearby. There's a new facility, new volleyball academy called 850 Elite, and 850 is the area code for Northwest Florida, where I live, and I would like to join a volleyball league there. So I think I'm going to sell an Arduino Duo. I have 2, but I don't know exactly how, other than through Facebook. I hope everything's well with you, and I hope to see you again soon. Miss you and talk to you later. Bye. That's all I have today. Have a wonderful day, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.